Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to repel a skunk. Now as you can see right here, I noticed not too long ago that I had all of these patches and spots in my grass, and I didn't know what was causing all of these patches and spots. So one night I looked out from that window over there, and I actually saw a skunk that was sort of poking its nose into the ground, making a lot of little holes. And if you go closer, there are lots of smaller tiny holes in the ground. So what I did that worked wonders was I actually got orange peels and I just sprinkled them all around that area right there, and the skunk did not come back. So I picked up the orange peels because I needed to mow the lawn, and then the next day, because there weren't any orange peels there, I noticed a skunk digging up that spot right there. So the orange peels clearly worked, and this is all that I do. I literally just take some orange peels. I just got, these are all, I think these are, I think they're actually mandarin peels, but you can use oranges, nectarines, lemons, limes, pretty much anything citrusy, and just throw them around the area that you see the skunk usually hanging out in. Just literally just toss them around the area like that. And as soon as I did this, the last time that I did it, I didn't see the skunk anymore. And it had been about a week and a half that the orange peels were on the ground, and I didn't see the skunk. And then as soon as I picked them up, the next day I saw the skunk digging up the hole, the next morning, early morning. Now, from what I see, skunks feed nocturnally, so they're gonna be out at night. So that's why I'm doing this right now, which is sort of just right before it's late in the evening. And hopefully the skunk will not come back tonight or early tomorrow morning, because every single time that I've seen the skunk has been out early in the morning or late at night. So literally just sprinkle some orange peels or lemon peels or lime peels in the area, because what's going to happen is the skunk is going to come to the area. They're going to sort of start poking their nose around, and then they're going to get the citrusy effect of the orange peels or lemon peels or lime peels, and then they're not going to like it, so they're going to go away. They really do not like it. So this is what I use to repel skunks, and it worked really well. And I hope that it works for you too. Just peel some oranges, some lemons, limes, nectarines, mandarins, whatever the case. Peel anything that has a sort of a citrus peel, and sprinkle the peels around the area that you commonly see the skunk. And if you want to know, if you know that you have a skunk there but you haven't seen where it hangs out, then just look for these little holes. I'll just drop down here. You can sort of see, hopefully, all of these are just little holes right there, right there, right there, right there. The skunk just, I witnessed it with my own eyes. The skunk just takes its nose and just darts it into the ground. And I think it's trying to find grubs or something to eat. But this is a method that worked for me for how to repel skunks, and I just wanted to show you exactly what I did in this video. It's literally so simple, and if you're already eating oranges anyways, or if you're already using a lemon for cooking anyways, just save the peel and just throw the peels in the area, and it should work for you too. That's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.